morning light is leaning on the door. A different kind of sun than we've seen before. I've memorized your laughter and your name, but today the very air feels changed. From the coffee cups to the vows we're gonna keep. This is a promise that I'm diving in deep. So take the lead and I will follow close. You're the heart I chose because I love it most. In the echoes of the chapel and the quiet of the night, we're building a world that's finally right. No more searching, no more what if or when. This is where our forever begins. The silver in our hair is still a distant dream, but I can see us drifting down that steady stream. Through the seasons where the leaves begin to fall, I'll be the hand you reach for through it all. It's not just the silk or the rings on display, it's the yes that I'll whisper every single day. So take the lead and I will follow close. You're the heart I chose because I love it most. In the echoes of the chapel and the quiet of the night, we're building a world that's finally right. No more searching, no more what if or when. This is where our forever begins. I'll walk beside you until the stars grow dim. My heart is your home, from the porch to the room. I'm staying, I'm yours, I'm home.